Functional fitness for athletes. Boost strength, mobility, and injury prevention. Discover how functional fitness enhances athletic performance with practical movements that improve strength, mobility, and injury prevention for all athletes. How functional fitness boosts athletic performance. Hey, have you ever thought about what really makes athletes excel beyond just the usual weightlifting or cardio? It's not just about looking strong or fast in isolated movements. It's about training the body in ways that mimic the actual demands of the sport or real life. That's where functional fitness comes in. And honestly, it can change the game for anyone serious about performance. So here's the scoop. Functional fitness is all about training your body to move efficiently and effectively through practical, real-world motions. Instead of just curling a dumbbell or doing leg presses, you're focusing on workouts that improve multiple areas at once: strength, balance, flexibility, and mobility, all while reducing the risk of injury. For athletes, this approach not only sharpens skills, but also lays down a foundation for long-term health and wellness. Let me break it down a bit. Imagine a basketball player who needs to jump, pivot, sprint, and change directions quickly. If that player only does traditional exercises focusing on single muscles, they might miss out on building the coordination and joint stability that functional fitness drills develop. These drills help the body learn to work as a single, cohesive unit, instead of just isolated parts. Why functional fitness matters for athletes. Strength in real-world movements. Functional exercises simulate everyday motions and sport-specific actions. This means the strength you gain is directly transferable to your performance on the field or court. Improved mobility and flexibility. Being quick and agile requires more than just muscle power. Functional training often incorporates dynamic stretches, joint mobility work, and complex movement patterns that keep your body limber and ready for anything. Injury prevention. Training for function rather than just aesthetics helps build resilience in muscles, ligaments, and tendons. Proper movement mechanics reduce wear and tear, which is crucial for avoiding those nagging injuries that can sideline an athlete. Enhanced coordination and balance. The exercises often involve multiple planes of motion and require core engagement, enhancing overall body awareness and control, key ingredients in athletic success. Easy ways to add functional training to your routine. Incorporating functional fitness into your schedule doesn't mean you have to overhaul your entire workout. In fact, it's about adding movements that feel natural, yet challenge your body differently. Start with bodyweight exercises. Think squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. These train your muscles while forcing balance and coordination. Introduce compound movements. Exercises like kettlebell swings, medicine ball throws, and farmer's carries engage multiple muscle groups and mimic actions often used in sports. Focus on stability. Use tools like balance boards or stability balls to work on your core and joint integrity. Practice multi-directional drills. Rather than linear running, add lateral shuffles, backpedals, or agility ladder drills to prepare your muscles for unpredictable movements. Progress wisely. As you get better, start adding weights or resistance bands to increase intensity without losing form or function. One of the great things about functional fitness is how its benefits spill over into everyday life. Whether you're lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or just moving through daily activities, being well-conditioned functionally means you're less likely to feel stiff, sore, or prone to injuries. Functional fitness and holistic health. When we talk about athletic performance, it's important to remember the bigger picture: health and wellness. Functional fitness supports not just the physical part, but encourages a lifestyle that promotes self-care and mindfulness about your body's capabilities and needs. By improving strength, mobility, and balance, you're also enhancing mental health aspects, like confidence, focus, and stress reduction. If you're curious about incorporating more wellness strategies into your life, I highly recommend checking out some excellent resources on health and wellness. They offer practical advice on everything from nutrition and mindfulness to workout strategies that complement functional fitness routines. So whether you're an athlete aiming for that next level, or just someone who wants to move better and prevent injury, Functional fitness is a smart and effective path. It's not just about intense workouts. It's about personal transformation through consistent, mindful movement. Give it a try and watch how your performance and overall wellness take off. Thanks for sticking with me on this. If you're interested in learning more about living a healthy lifestyle and exploring personal success through mindful self-care, definitely explore the books now at the Wellbeing Publishing Store. There's something for every step on your wellness journey.